Hello and welcome to the DiningPal presentation. I'm Gabriel Asmar and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to explain this new service to you all today. The problem we'd like to solve with the DiningPal service includes that students are commonly unhappy with their university meal plans, and this is frequently expressed in university reviews. Students may also be unaware of how food tastes before trying it, which may lead to increased food waste and disappointment. It's currently difficult to provide public feedback for other students to see, other departments, and for the dining services themselves to have accountability to improve their meal options. Nutritional information is difficult to find, maybe inconvenient, scattered, or incomplete, and it's also not easily stored or transferable to a student's device. And students may want to record their nutritional information for long-term trends. Current solutions do not offer students the opportunity to publish public reviews of menu items, which limits students' information. Solutions such as campusdish.com, which is used at UMass Lowell, does not provide the option to filter by multiple criteria. So for example, if you're looking for an item that doesn't include chicken and you'd like it to also not include gluten, that wouldn't be possible to find items that meet multiple criteria. Some schools may design custom sites which requires specialty staff, which may increase the university's costs, and images tend to not be provided of items. On the right, we can see images of UMass Dartmouth's meal menu website, UMass Amherst, and UMass Lowell's. So we have a solution called DiningPal. The new service will allow students to view detailed nutritional information for all items being served, plan meals based on the portion of food they plan to eat rather than a standardized proportion which they can't add to or reduce, store nutritional information on their health app for future reference, filter menu items by multiple criteria, set diet goals when they're planning to make a meal, and leave a review for students and dining management to view. The monetization plan for DiningPal will be a software as a service platform. We plan to charge a subscription fee to continuously provide updates and support. The subscription charge will be based on the number of students that the system supports. For example, a subscription for up to 2,000 students may be $100 a month, whereas a system for up to 5,000 students may be $150 a month. The market opportunity for DiningPal includes the current 23,633 higher education institutions globally, although dining halls may not be incorporated in all of these schools due to cultural differences. United States universities are expected to spend $19.9 billion on higher education technology in 2024 alone. A typical meal plan in the United States costs between $3,000 to $5,000 a year and can cost as much as $8,000 a year. The funds of the service may be allocated by the meal plan rather than the technology budget. Students are increasingly considering themselves to be health aware and health conscious. If this platform is successful, we could expand to other aspects of students' and residents' life. We believe many of the problems faced by dining halls is due to an information issue, and that this could be resolved by providing students with more information and tools. Thank you again for listening to this presentation, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment.